I'm Amith KJ. I'm graduate from National Institute of Engineering myself, Triveni branch, and I wanted to share my experience with Emertxe course and how it helped me to kickstart my career in tech. So before I joined Emertxe, I was working at Sonovision Atos Bangalore. So as a associate engineer. So while I had some exceptional experience at my previous company, so I felt like I needed to upskill myself in order to advance in my career. So Yamagzi course was exactly what I needed. So the mentors were super supportive and always available to help me out from critical doubts. So and best of all, they helped me to get placed in Klemove. So the interview process was smooth and the skill I learned at Amith definitely helped me to get a job. So overall, I'm super grateful to Amith for helping me to take my career to the next level. So if you are looking for upskill, I highly recommended Amith.